Fish?
How old? 1 year, 6 months.
Oh.
He's 1 year, 3 months.
Oh yeah?
Really?
The same.
Hi, friend.
Hey.
Hey, Wilson, let's go swimming. Come on. Go swimming.
Enjoy.
Whoa, we lost.
There's the flowers.
Let's go.
Come on, go swimming.
Let's go.
He keeps looking.